Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making a classic Filipino favorite, fish escabeche. Crispy fried fish is topped with a vibrant sweet and sour sauce made with vinegar, sugar, and colorful vegetables. Inspired by Spanish escabeche but uniquely Filipino, this dish is bold, comforting, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Ingredients: 5 medium-sized or 1 large whole fish, tilapia, snapper, or lapu-lapu, cleaned and salted. 1 red onion sliced. 5 cloves garlic minced. 2 thumbs of ginger julienned. 1 carrot, julienned. 2 pieces of each red and green bell pepper sliced into strips. Half a cup vinegar. Half a cup brown sugar. 1½ cups water. 6 tablespoons tomato or banana ketchup, for color/sweetness. 1 tablespoon cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons water, slurry. Procedure. Deep fry the seasoned fish in oil until golden brown and crispy. Place on a serving platter. In a separate pan, sauté ginger first until fragrant. Then add garlic and onions until softened. Stir-fry the carrots and bell peppers for 2 to 3 minutes until tender but still crisp. Pour in water, vinegar, sugar, and ketchup. Whisk in the cornstarch slurry. And simmer until the sauce thickens. Pour the hot sauce over the fried fish and serve immediately. And that's our Filipino-style fish escabeche, crispy, flavorful, and beautifully balanced. Serve it hot with steamed rice and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious dishes here on Sangkap Sarap TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.